Corned beef and rice was always one of my favorite things to eat growing up in Belize. It was just so simple but so good. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Belizean-style corned beef and rice. Okay, for this recipe, you're going to need 1 tin of corned beef. It's been so long since I opened a tin of corned beef. Oh my goodness, this was just so nostalgic. I know it's that time of the year where you see corned beef recipes everywhere, but for me, the only kind of corned beef I know is the one in a tin like this. This is how I grew up seeing corned beef in Belize, so I wanted to show you how I make mine. Okay, to my pot set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1/4 of a small onion that I thinly slice. Give that a stir and let that cook until it's slightly brown. Next, I'm going to add the corned beef to that, and I have to say, I almost forgot how to take it out of the tin. It's been so long since I had corned beef. I'm just going to use my spoon to break it up and mix everything together. Keep stirring it and let it cook for 5 minutes. You just want to brown your corned beef a little bit. Okay, the next thing I'm going to add is 1 medium potato that I cut into bite-sized pieces. And the last thing I'm adding is 2 cups of water. Give that a good stir, cover it and let it cook for 25 minutes. You just want to give it enough time to cook so your potato can get soft. It's been 20 minutes, but I just wanted to test it to see how soft the potato was. It still needed to cook some more, and I wanted to cook some of the water out. Okay, so now it's been 25 minutes and it's perfect. It's just how I want it to be. So I'm going to turn off the stove. You don't want it to be too dry because you want to have some gravy in there to put over your rice. This was always one of my favorite things to eat growing up in Belize. It was just so simple and so good, and you didn't need a lot of ingredients. I mean, the simplest thing, you know. Let me know in the comments below, have you eaten corned beef like this before? Or have you seen it made like this? Let me know, or let me know how you like to make yours. To top this off, you're going to need some pepper. That's the only way. Oh my gosh, this was just so good. I was just so happy to eat this. I told my husband that I was in heaven eating this because it's been so long since I ate this. This was something me and my mom used to always make when we were at home, and you know, sometimes you just don't know what to eat or you're just tired of eating the same thing. So we used to always make this. Or we would make this when we just want something easy to cook. You know, you don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, so we would make this. So I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you do, please hype up the video. That helps to get my videos out there. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.